There's the bird. He keeps... Oh, I missed him. He keeps fighting with the mirror. He thinks it's another bird, I guess. It's friggin' hilarious. And he spends hours on the mirror, on the side windows, on the back window, on the back rail of the box. And it'll keep flying up and down, fighting the mirror. You see, there you go, you see him flapping. And then he'll shit on everything. Bloody, I don't even know what kind of bird it is. Funny little fellow though. There. I don't know if anybody knows what that is.